Gracias, amor.
De la calle, la voy a esponjar.
Sírvase.
Alright, okay, luego.
La mano.
Luego. Oh shit.
Tómela.
Hey man, casinos are open. Yeah, I'm looking around right here. Right?
Alright. What kind of food do you want? I have it right here. What kind of food do you want? It all depends on. You want Asian? Yeah, good reviews.
Asian out here?
Yeah, hella good reviews. You want? What kind of food do you want?
Anything, man. I just want to kind of run into it. It's kind of spontaneously.
Yeah, we don't know what we like though, right?
Yeah.
We want to go up a little more and go the other way?
Yeah.
I know there's a lot of restaurants that way. Italian or Mexican.
There's a food court right there. We don't want to do that, huh?
It would just be fast food. Relax. Like a real I'm eating twice a day these days. What's this place right here? Taqueria. Oh shit, fresh juice.
Oh, that's like donors maybe.
No, right here.
Like donors.
No, it's a taqueria. Sit down.
Oh, tacos. See a lot of police cars out here, huh? That's good. Kind of feel safer.
Oh yeah, that's good. You want that, you know?
We didn't go all the way down here, did we? Last time?
No.
Smell. There's a big chicken over here.
Go up a couple more blocks.
Big chicken.
Oh, I thought it was
Turkey?
It's
Turkey?
not a restaurant, it's a fucking appliance store. pantalleiras, homens, pantalleiras.
There's a lot of activity out here.
Nice buildings.
See, how about, what's that? El Tostador. That looks pretty good. See, that's the one I saw on the thing. It's more like a cafe, though.
Really? Yeah, a lot of real restaurants. Yeah, that's good.
Look at this doggy.
No, a lot of places.
Is he?
Sure of another McDonald's. One here and one there. Next.
I know.
I've seen like
Yeah.
4 McDonald's.
Yeah.
4 McDonald's out here. Let's walk up to the statue and then we head back. Actually, it's,
Which one?
never mind. It's like kind of busy over here. Main
Oh, that one right there, huh?
It's the main intersection.
Yeah.
Huh?
That one right there?
You up there? You want to check it out?
Yeah.
And then we head back.
Okay. Should we go down back another street or?
Yeah, a few more
This one?
streets. That's where all the restaurants are that way.
Okay. KFC. Get your ugly mug in here. There's an ugly mug. Ugly mug.
San Jose, not
Cali.
California. Costa
Cali
Rica.
representing Cali.
San Jose, the other one, not the
The
California.
San Jose Cali. San Jose, California.
There you go, fake Gucci's right
Yeah, it's not. I haven't seen it yet. Maybe they regulate out here.
You want to get him in the thing?
No.
The local hero?
Nah. He's got beers. What's he selling here?
Those are right there.
Oh, it's honey, local honey.
Quality
Miel.
price.
Miel.
Miel de abeja.
100% natural.
Sí, man.
I might come back. I can't.
Muy bueno.
¿Cuánto?
4,000
Botella?
dólares.
$4,000?
No.
Dos.
$4,000 un carro aquí, man.
I know.
4,000 columns.
4,000 is
$8.
Oh, solamente. Wow, that's good.
In quality. Not
Only
good,
$8.
It's quality.
Wow, $8.
Take one.
$8, man. That's cheap. Okay, you gonna be here later?
Maybe.
Yeah, because I have to carry. I can't carry.
Police.
Oh, entiendo.
Okay.
Yeah, that's only $8 a bottle for that whole natural honey.
Only?
Yeah, only $8. No, but it's a whole bottle. It's a giant wine bottle.
Oh, hey, let's head back.
I'm gonna go that street and come back.
okay.
That's it. End of the street, and then we're good.
Aye.
En ayunas, ya voy a comenzar otra vez.
You know, another reason people wear masks out here, I think it's because they're not vaccinated, bro.
Oh yeah,
They have
right.
to protect themselves.
Exactly.
Yeah, and the choice. They don't have the vaccines. It's sad. We're throwing shit away in America. Like people are like, no, I don't want to fucking eat. Here
No.
they're like begging for it.
El esposo sale conmigo.
Hey, that's the Central Market right there. Actually, that's where we should be going.
Oh, the big market?
Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah.
We came to the right place actually.
All right. Let's check it out before we get back.
Yeah.
Oh, they might have those places here, you're right.
Chamacos de la calle, la voy a esponjar.
19 la fecha, 19 navideña, 19.
Alright, so find some Gucci's here. Remember in Thailand we found that in the market like this?
Oh, a little sloth. Sloth. Maybe we need a mask in here, man. Mascara.
Where is it?
I mean, you know, it's a closed area. Closed area.
No, it's not.
Oh shit.
I'm vaccinated.
Down there.
Oh, shit. Vaccinated, bro.
You're vaccinated.
I thought you edit stuff.
Well, you don't say that. En Costa Rica. Hola. Buenas, buenas. Oh, you're on mi video. Perdóname, disculpa.
Right here. Portugal.
Buenas. Comiendo, ¿eh? Comiendo.
¿Anda mascarillas?